I know a lot of people think like, "Oh, I'm so busy, I don't have time to add in mindfulness and meditation to my day." But as you mentioned, 5 minutes is all you need, and it can make such a huge difference.
What can we give our parents and teachers as resources?
So there's school counselors and other people that can help. And there's a lot of online resources as well. A lot of, websites, YouTube videos. So you are not alone. We are all going through this together. And it's something that, even I need help with as a parent of three boys. We can all use a little bit more help and support.
Also, we didn't talk about mindfulness, and I'm really big on mindfulness and meditation, and I really hooked on all my kids on this, really helping them to just, self-soothe. I think that when we talked earlier about separation anxiety, it's about them learning how to self-soothe and relax themselves and have a resource on hand if they're struggling.